See, it still works. Burn hammer. Don't need to throw it away. Oh yeah. Part of working in Minnesota is dealing with rocks. Here's a big boulder. But they're useful. Get this guy out. Oh, that's a muddy mess. Got a bunch of boulders pulled out of the ground. Gonna redo the foundation. Gnats are crazy today, so just wearing a bug net. Make it a little simpler until the bug net becomes its own problem. Alright, this is what we got going on. Just doing cinders, leveling out the cinders. Wood for the foundation is ready to go. Big boulders. Boulders are everywhere. Huh, so we'll keep at it. Should have a foundation in a little bit. Got some 4x6s. 4x6s for the base. You go walk across it. Walk across the beam.
Yeah.
Is it sturdy? Looks sturdy enough to me. Go, go, go. Oh, what? Go, 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 go.